Hello guys, review Xiaomi Redmi Pad Pro. This version 6GB memory and 128GB internal memory. Open box and look complementation. In complementation we have, of course, device, gray color. We have 12.1 display, 120Hz, 2.5K display, Xiaomi Hyper OS, Snapdragon 7S Gen 2, 10,000 mAh battery, fast charging and quad speakers, camera LED, okay, turn on display, open settings. About tablet we have Xiaomi Hyper OS version 1.0 to 2.0, okay, close this, works good, and open tests, Geekbench 6 test, CPU test, single core score, multi-core score, and GPU test. Okay. Look onto the benchmark results. Onto the benchmark, okay, and start PUBG Mobile. Look graphics in this game. Okay, game load. Look settings, graphics, high frame rate. PUBG Mobile works good. Okay, close this. Look camera. Video we have recording 70, 20 or 1080, 30 rate, FPS rate. Okay, that's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.